The team space can be used for many purposes. It could be a place for groups to come together virtually to work on a project, share information, or provide professional learning opportunities. The top green bar provides the name and description of the team, in addition to how many resources have been added to the space, the number of members, how many insights or highlights have been made, and finally, the number of discussions. Bar below that is how you can take action in your team space. Click on Add an Article to link to a resource on the web, such as a YouTube video or other article. To upload one of your own resources, you will click on Upload Document. From there, you can determine from where you would like to upload the document: your computer, Dropbox, Box, Google Drive. The platform can accept most file types. Enter in a title and description and then select Enter. You can also start a discussion with your team by clicking on Ask Your Team. When you type your question into the box, a notification will be sent to your team members via email. To make changes to your team members or edit the team's permissions, click on Invite Members. There you can invite more people, or determine what your team members can or cannot do. The library filter is a convenient way to find resources quickly. On the left in the team space, you will see that there are boxes for both tags and categories. In team spaces, you have the ability to create categories specific to your team as a way to filter information. To add a category to a resource, you will select the notepad and pencil icon at the bottom of the resource text. Then type in your category, press on the Enter button on your keypad, and then close the box. The library is also where you can delete a resource. Simply click on the red garbage can icon to the right of the resource, then select Yes. To quickly find the insights or highlights team members have made to those resources, select the Insights tab. Similarly, the Discussions tab will filter out only the conversations of the team.